All right. This video, I'm gonna talk about knowing when to stay in, knowing when to stay in the markets and when to stay out the markets. All right. So, with trading, I feel like there's always gonna be opportunities coming and going. You don't have to always be in the market. Um, and part of that is just, getting the experience, knowing when a good time to take a trade is, and knowing when a good time it is to, sit on the sideline. Um, last week was a pretty, I wouldn't say bad week of trading, but it wasn't the best. There's a couple times when I should have just stayed on the sideline and not taken any trades. But, I don't regret taking any of them. It was all a learning experience. But there's definitely some moments or some trades that I shouldn't have taken because they weren't, high probability, or they weren't, as clean as I wish they could have been. For instance, um, I think it was this one right here. No, definitely wasn't that one. But yeah, I think it was this one right here. NZDCHF. I had just taken a loss probably like the day before, and I wanted to get in because I thought price was rejecting this level, which it kind of was, but I ended up getting stopped out again. This definitely should have been a place where I could have just avoided this range, and waited for a break out of this level here and then retest, somewhere up here. So I was definitely not as patient as I wish I would have been. And like I said, that's just nothing wrong with it. I'm just getting more experience as the weeks go on. And I'm starting to, understand it's okay if I'm not in a trade a day or a couple days out of the week. I'd rather wait for the higher probability setups than taking a lot of low probability setups and, slowly losing my account because I want to take these losses because I want to be in every single trade I see. So I just want to get better at spotting the higher probability ones. So, those are the ones that I'm taking more often, and, just getting better every single week. So I'm in this GU trade. I got in here off the bullish engulfing, and um I caught a re-entry right here off these two, I think tweezer bottoms, you'll call them. So I got my stop loss under this wick here. Could have placed it under here, but I figured I'll give it a little room just in case it wants to wick somewhere down here. It's like, fuck it, I'll put it down here. So we'll see how this plays out, and we'll go from there. But overall looks bullish. Got this nice trend going up, bullish engulfing on the weekly with a nice retest to this area. The daily, we got a bullish engulfing, break and retest. Nice indecision candle here, so it looks like we can possibly continue up. Um, like I said, this weekly looks bullish. The daily looks bullish. And the 4-hour is currently bullish. We're on a retest of this area right here with a nice clean push up. And, hopefully we can get a nice push for London session. So, yep, That's it. If you're new to my page, make sure you like my videos, subscribe to my page, comment if you can. Appreciate you guys.